Hey guys, welcome back to Bite the Book. Today we're gonna go through August 21st and 22nd technicals. I'm having some mad FOMO right now because I plan on buying here, but damn, I hit my risk limit from yesterday, and yeah, that's what happens when you when you go over your limits and you don't follow your rules. But anyway, let's start off with the 21st, like always, and we'll do our hourly and work our way down to the 5 minute. So as you can see on the chart, I actually took some trades that day. It was real profitable until I got into after hours over here, where I ended up in some buys that went horribly wrong. But anyway, let's start this. So there's a consolidation over here, right? This could have been something. 525, right? Go ahead, clone that, get something probably in this area, clone that, and maybe something up here too, right? Okay, and I'm not gonna plot there yet because we wouldn't have really even gotten to that day. But anyway, right, if we're working from there, see that, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so now we'll move on to our 30 minute to line everything up a little more. So yeah, this is looking really nice. Like, we have a consolidation area here. I should add another one. Consolidation here. All right, I'll move this up a bit. Consolidation. Come back down to this low. Boom, boom. Up there. Okay. Now 15 minute. We're gonna fix up this consolidation area. Yeah, that's much better. Right. Or even better here. Tons of entry areas. I don't like this one anymore for some reason, so remove it. Like that. Good. And then yeah, this was a session for August 21st, pretty much. 5 minute, there probably wouldn't be nothing else, right? We have our good consolidation here, which happened pre-market open, right? 5:30, or from 4:30 up until 8 o'clock, it was consolidating before it broke out. I wasn't looking at the charts until pretty much 9:30. I was kind of disappointed I missed out on this, but that's whatever. And so made a new high, came back down, high, down, and then we kind of consolidated again in this area, this little range here. In this range, we have about $8, which is pretty epic, right? So I'm pretty sure what happened with me was over here I ended up in buys, right? But then I got stopped out. Yep, at 29.23. So I bought at 29.25, stopped out 29.23. 29.25, 29.23. Yeah, stopped out 29.23. Took some more buys over here, right? And I rode that all the way up to this area and this area, right? Is where I closed off most of it. And then after hours, I kind of got a little FOMO from actually looking at this go up more, because this probably would have made, like, this would have been a really good day if I actually made another $7. And so what happened was I ended up in some crazy sells, or sorry, buys up in this area, this price range, and then price plummeted back down to my stop loss, and it really did damage to my account, given how big the position size was. So now if we move on into August 22nd, we'll do the same exact thing. Start off with the hourly and then work our way down. So of course I'm going to clone that. Look at our tops up here. All right. And this is just to show you, right, like the loss, like how bad it was. I'll try to open up position and you'll see. Crazy, right? Really messed up right there. But anyway, that's is what it is. So now we will work our way down. So what happened was market open around 9:30, price pushed up and it just plummeted. So for me, I was expecting it to at least stop up here for more buys since that was our last low. So let me just plot this real quick. Make a clone of it. I'll drag this over some more. All right, I'll move down to our 30-minute. 30-minute. Let's just drag this some more too, since it's really lining up. And then this would be in another area over here too. I think this would have been a lot harder to play, only because of, you know, like where these stopped, right? Like if you look at the structure, I'd probably want to buy up here since my mind was always in buys, but after such momentum, I think it's better to expect sells. And personally, if I got to the session quick enough, I probably would have bought from over here and already made my $5 trade after what, you know, the first move, first few seconds. So $5, $2.50 stop loss. Yeah, it would have been a really good trade. Now, wow, mad FOMO, because I did plan on buying here, but again, like I don't have access to it yet because my loss limit. But anyway, let's move down to 15-minute. 15-minute looks pretty much the same, right? Price pulled down or pulled up at market open, 9:30 candle, right? Up $5, and then it just plummeted down, right? On your 30-minute, you get your really, or no, on the hourly, you get a really nice what do you call it, candle, rejection candle right there. Anyway, back to the 15-minute. On the 15, we pulled 1, 2, 3, 4 large 15-minute candles, right? That's an hour. In an hour, we went down $32, which is insane. All right, and we pulled up, pull back, up, pull back. Over here, there's multiple entry points. So here's the bendy I was talking about. I wasn't talking about, but what I will be talking about later when I talk about my strategy. Another one right over here, a nice little pullback to go all the way back up, and we created a little range right here, right? We see 3 times where it came back, and then over here will be the 4th time. So depending on the type of trader you are, you could either take a sell here, which for me I probably wouldn't, or you can wait for it to come up, pull down to move back up. Because I do see this, like I said, going all the way back up to 3,000. But again, it depends on the type of trader you are. We did make a new low over here, but when you compare it to like a higher time frame, it really isn't that significant, right? Because look how the 4 hours is plotting out, right? Our closes are what is really, really important. I don't use a 4 hour because on different brokers for futures, the 4 hour candle will look very, very different, but the hourly, they all look the same. So, you know, that's one of the reasons why I don't use it. Anyway, let's move to the 5-minute. 5-minute again, showing the same exact type of things here, right? We move down, 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 tons of momentum and tons of chance for you to take a sell, right? Before we actually move back up and we get to, you know, this area, the 2905, 2904. Wow, when as low as that? So over here, I wouldn't be too sure of when to take it, right? So that's where the higher time frame plays a key role. I probably would have gotten over here after this little, you know, pullback right here. It's not the best, but you know, I most likely would have been stopped out. Oh no, wait. No, it would really depend on when I get in. That's 275. Yeah, it would depend on when I get in. Like if I get in like at the bottom of this wick, or even like right here, right, 250, I'd be pretty solid to take a $5 move. What is next? And then as we got up to here, it was like 350, 250. Chicago time, massive pull down back to this area, right? This area reflects exactly what happened in August 21st, right? Consolidation push, right? Support, it held. It broke over here, but briefly came back up, play the support over here when it pulled down. Support again, support again. So right now, for me, if I were to actually enter this trade, I think I would want to take sells just to see how low it will go, because I don't expect it to come back up here until pretty much next week time, right? Because these guys are still having meetings and fundamentals may change this real quickly. Anyways, guys, as always, if you have any questions, concerns, comment down below and let me know what you think, where the market's going, etc., etc. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, risk on.